So let me ask you something. That is the assignment where Angie gone pan. Mullins, you hear anything from Angie? May I talk about this the other day, you know? And you know better than this, you know. But tell you, say, stop sending her on them kind of mission, you know, brother. Make her focus on some community thing or some other thing, you know. It's like you forget. So me see one, you know, deal with mission like them, you know. I know the kind of dangers where they're about, you know, brother. And me, and the man you should have sent me deal with that. Make a deal with whop whop and done. But no, man. You always have to insist that things get done your way. And see them now, them don't know, me don't know, and clearly, you don't know. But me I'll tell you this, since you don't have nothing to tell me, you see, anyhow me discover say, some door, I'll tell you something. You might have need to check Tony to get one of them box there. Because now what's up?
Is you what I tell me about just a strong like? That sound like a strong like. That sound like love to me.
Tell this thing for a joke. Go on around with my own. Go on around, here.
Yeah. Who do you think it is? Come in as a boyfriend. Don't want to admit you would like to be a husband. Take my coffee cup. Now you want to come tell me what me can and can't do with reference to my daughter. Let me tell you something, you see? Boyfriends, they come and go. Fathers are forever.
I guess I've been living in denial all this time and refuse to admit the gravity of what I've done. But the ghost of my dark past is back to haunt me, and I would happily deal with my consequences of my actions if I hadn't tied you and my child to it. But I selfishly have.
Sir, what concern though? What really happened to Bubbles?
I mean, me I worry because you're supposed to be about a 1 week operation.
But things happen.
Sir, and that we are worried about. What happened?
We will know in due course.
So should I make contact with nobody? Not even Roxy?
Do you know why we call her Bubbles? Because Bubbles always rises to the top. I understand your concern. I have been concerned in the past, but I have faith in her abilities and confidence in how she can handle herself. Trust me, you see the slightest inkling I get that something wrong, I'll be on a plane myself.
I never want to think about that, so something could have happened.
Let me give you something else to think about. What is the current status of the deep search on your mother?
I've come across some new information, sir. But you will have a full report in 2 days.
Before or after your report on your home invasion?